Dwarf Calendula is a small and beautiful flowering plant that is loved by many gardeners around the world. It belongs to the daisy family and is well known for its bright, cheerful flowers that usually appear in shades of yellow and orange. Because of its compact size, Dwarf Calendula is perfect for small gardens, flower beds, borders, and even pots or containers on balconies and patios. This plant is not only attractive, but also easy to grow, making it a great choice for beginners who are just starting their gardening journey. One of the most appealing things about Dwarf Calendula is its ability to grow quickly and bloom for a long period of time. The flowers usually start appearing in early spring and can continue blooming until late autumn if the plant is properly cared for. The blossoms are soft, round, and slightly layered, giving the garden a warm and lively look. Many gardeners grow Dwarf Calendula to add color and beauty to their outdoor spaces. Growing Dwarf Calendula is quite simple because the plant does not require complicated care. It grows best in well-drained soil and prefers a sunny location where it can receive plenty of sunlight during the day. However, it can also tolerate partial shade. The seeds are usually planted directly into the soil, and within a short time, small green seedlings begin to appear. As the plant grows, it develops soft green leaves and strong stems that hold the bright flowers. Watering Dwarf Calendula should be done regularly, but the soil should not remain too wet. Moderate watering helps the plant grow healthy and produce more flowers. Removing old or faded flowers, a process called deadheading, can also encourage the plant to bloom again and again throughout the season. Another interesting feature of Dwarf Calendula is that it is often considered a beneficial plant in the garden. It can attract helpful insects such as bees and butterflies, which play an important role in pollination. In some cases, calendula plants can even help keep certain garden pests away. Besides its beauty, calendula has also been traditionally valued for its gentle herbal properties. The petals are sometimes used in natural skincare products and herbal teas in different parts of the world. Overall, Dwarf Calendula is a charming and useful plant that adds color, life, and natural beauty to any garden. With its easy care, long blooming season, and bright flowers, it is a wonderful choice for gardeners who want a simple yet rewarding plant to grow.